Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Intan Wahyuni from Biology Education B. Okay, in this video, I will convey about my journal related analyzing the effect of the number of graded dilution repetition on the final microbial count. The first is introduction. In this section, we will study what is serial dilution. The stratified dilution or serial dilution is a laboratory analysis stage that function to dilute the number of organisms in a sample, estimated to be solid, with a dilution ratio of 1 to 9, so that a 1/10 dilution is obtained for each level of dilution. The principle of dilution is to reduce the amount so that the greater the amount of dilution that is carried out, the fewer the number of microbes, where one day only one microbes will be obtained in one tube. The next is competing interest. In the process of counting bacteria, researchers usually experience difficulties because the content of microorganisms in a suspension is a very much. So, the multi-level dilution method is often used to facilitate these activities. Multi-level dilution will help the counting process because in this method, the colonies are obtained separately and will help obtain the correct calculation data. This study aims to determine the final result of the number of microbes produced after a multi-level dilution process using suspension control in the form of mushroom tofu. Whether there is an increase in the number of microbes or even the number of microbes continues to decrease until later it reaches the number of. The next, we will discuss about the methods of the journal. This type of research is a laboratory experimental research. The method used to test the sample in this study is multi-level dilution followed by a total plate count or TPC. The sample used to be mostly tofu, which was then crushed, put into a test tube and added to 1 ml of distilled water to form a suspension control. Prior to the treatment of the sample, the equipment used is sterilized first to avoid contamination of unwanted microorganisms. This activity was carried out at the Microbiology Laboratory of Semarang State University. Following are the steps in carry out multi-level dilution. The steps are as follows. The first, take 1 ml sample of mostly tofu, crush and add it with distilled water. 2. Add to 9 ml diluent sterile distilled water and homogenize with dilution at the first level. 3. From dilution at the first level, 1 ml is taken then put into 9 ml of sterile distilled water and homogeneous as a dilution at the second level, and so on until the 6th dilution. For plating microbes at dilution at the 4 level, 5 level, and 6 level by means of a pour plate, which is to take 1 ml of suspension each put into a petri dish. 5. Incubate at 25 to 30 Celsius for 48 hours. The last, observing the colony count on each plate and counting it with a colony counter. This is the result of an experiment. When, in calculating the number of bacteria, there are several conditions. 1. The number of colonies in each petri dish is between 30 to 300 colonies. If not, the longest one is selected. 2. No spreader, or colonies that cover more than half the area of the petri dish. 3. If the ratio of the number of bacteria between the large dilution and the previous dilution is less than 2, then the result use the recommended average. But if the ratio of the number of bacteria between the dilution is greater than the previous dilution, more than 2, then the number of bacteria from the previous dilution is used. 4. If by repetition and both results meet the requirements, the results are taken from the average. From the results above, then the number of bacteria is calculated. This is the sample of calculated the number of bacteria. After obtaining the number of microorganism cell or the number of bacteria, then carry out compare sample. This is example for compare sample at dilution the 4 level, 5 level, and 6 level. The next is discussion. The dilution carried out in this experiment were the decimal dilution, namely dilution at the first level to dilution at the 6th level. This stage certainly does not stop at 6th level, because to reach a microbial value of 1 requires a long repetition process. After the dilution process is carried out at stage 6, the microbial plating process is carried out, which will be observed and the number of microbes counted. The plating process is carried out in a microbial incubator with a temperature between 25 to 30 Celsius with a time span between 24 to 48 hours. Meanwhile, the sample used in the plating process were sample dilution at the 4 level, 5 level, and 6 level. This is because the estimation of sample colonies to be observed and calculated is not too difficult, because the numbers are relatively small. The results show that of the 3 samples used, sample 6 level, so the last result, and there was a decrease in the number of microbes at each subsequent stage. The last is conclusion. Based on the experiment that have been carried out, it can be concluded that the principle of dilution to reduce the amount of microbial content, so that the more number of repetition in the multi-level dilution process will result in the smallest number of microbes obtained, where one day only 1 microbes in a sample will be obtained is true. So, the repetition process in multi-level retyling has a major effect on the number of bacteria left. But it is possible that there are some external factors that might affect the result of microbial count, one of which is the initial environmental conditions that are less sterile, resulting in contamination of the microbial sample to be incubated, apart from temperature, and the lack of the incubation process is also very influential. Okay everyone, in the last, I would like to thank everyone who has helped and provided support so that this journal was formed, especially to Ms. Lutfia Nur Hadianti, who has guided the making of this journal. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.